Get ready for some explosive news that'll make you question everything about big banks. Guess what? Bank of America just got caught in a crazy scandal. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB) has finally put an end to their sneaky moves. Did you know that Bank of America was secretly charging illegal fees left and right? And guess who they were opening credit card accounts for without customer consent? Imagine you're minding your own business and boom, Bank of America is playing tricks with your money. But the CFPB has finally caught them red-handed. The CFPB Director, Rohit Chopra, is not messing around. He's holding Bank of America accountable for their wrongdoings. Can you believe it? Bank of America was actually double-dipping on fees. They were charging customers not once, but twice for declined transactions. It gets even worse. Bank of America had their employees apply for credit card accounts without customer consent. Psst. Here's a secret. Bank of America even withheld credit card rewards from tens of thousands of customers. But don't worry, justice has been served. Bank of America is now paying up. They'll cough up over $100 million to compensate their customers, $90 million as fines to the CFPB, and another $60 million to the Office of the Controller of the Currency. Let this be a lesson to all the big banks out there. No more game, no more capper. Smash that like button, hit that follow for more updates, and share this mind-blowing news. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.